Hello everyone, my name is Anita Shastri. I make educational videos. Please subscribe, like, comment and share these videos with your family and friends so let them also enjoy. So in this video, we are going to talk about reducing the screen time for little children, even the bigger children as well. Yeah, this is one of the most requested videos. I have done this previously as well in another language. So today I'm going to share with you all the little tips and tricks which you can use instead of letting your children be on the screen all the time. Okay, nowadays we can't help it because many children are having online classes and they have to be online all the time in front of the screen. Okay, agreed. But what about the littlest ones? They don't need to be on the screen all the time because they don't have online classes. There's no possible way to teach a young kindergarten child to be on the online classes. So it's not possible. So let's see what we can do to help them reduce their screen time. Nowadays I have heard that the parents are saying like, oh, my child is always on the iPad or on the phone or on the TV. Who did that? Who made them like that? It's you. Because you had something to do, so you thought like, okay, I will give an iPad or a phone, let them watch something and I will do my chores at home. So it was you who started. And now they are addicted so much that there should be something on the time and they have to be watching something. So this is not going to help them at all. This is going to reduce their creativity, their imagination, their communication skills, even interacting with others, the field, the social, the personal development, all the other developments are going to be lagging behind. So this is not a good sign. So let's see how and what are the different techniques which we can use to reduce their screen time. So you can make it as a game for the children. So it's always important. So when they will, like now they are already addicted. So how will you stop them? So what you can do is maybe you can switch off your mobile and switch off the iPad and unplug the TV, because nowadays the children are very clever. They will use the remote to go and turn it on. So unplug the TV because they don't know that. And maybe you can turn off the mobile as well, or take out the SIM card if they know how to switch on the mobile. So, and then turn off the Wi-Fi router so they don't see anything at all. And if you have taken out the SIM, it won't show. So these are all little tips and tricks for you to just begin. For this is I'm talking about when the child is very, very addicted. So then they automatically have to find the other way. In the beginning, they will be very cranky. They will start screaming and then they will do all sorts of things to get you very impatient and give it to them the screen, what they are asking for. Let them be. It doesn't matter, isn't it? And then you can make it as fun. And then you can say like, okay, so we can maybe, we will wait for some time. Maybe the power will be on or the phone will start working. Just tell them and see like, okay, what shall we do now? So maybe you can say like, okay, shall we read a book? And then maybe you can bring a book and read. Or if they have some toys, maybe you can build something with a Lego or blocks if you have some blocks. So, or do some painting with them. If you don't want the mess, then maybe you can also ask them to like rip little papers and they can stick onto some card or some paper. So do something with them where they will be distracted. I know it's a lot of job for the as being a parent, but you are helping your child in a way to develop other areas of life. So this is very, very, very important. And they are also helping them to recover from their eyesight. And then they will start thinking and they will start imagining. And then they are also building their fine motor skills. So we need the sensory skills for the children for development and for communication as well. Nowadays, I have seen that there are many, many children who are struggling with communicating. And then with interacting as well. They don't have eye-to-eye contact because of this, because they don't know how to look at people when they are talking and they don't know how to communicate because they are always on the screen and they are listening. It's only their listening skill which is developing, but not the how we have to communicate with someone else. So it's best you talk to them and then you convey the message to them, and then they will look at you and they will start hearing what you are saying, and they will start listening to it, and they will also try to communicate with you. They will answer back. So they will say like, oh, what is their wishes. So maybe like, say for example, oh, shall we play with the Lego or shall we read a book? So what do you want to do? And if they say like read a book, then maybe bring a book and then, talk about what pictures they can see. You don't have to really read a story, but just let them talk what they see on the picture. So that is, they are helping. You are helping them to putting the open-ended questions, and then you are asking them what do they see. So then they will start looking at the pictures and they will start visualizing all the little things on that, and they will start talking to you, and then this becomes as an interaction and they start communicating about it. Then you can ask like, oh, what do you think the story would be about? So you are putting all the open-ended questions. Then they have to think and they have to start talking about it. So, and then they can look at the pictures as well. So their observation skills are even developing. So this is very, very, very useful techniques. So to distract them each and every time you see that they are sitting in front of the screen for an hour, for half an hour, that's too much for the children. We are not helping our child by giving a mobile or an iPad or letting them watch TV. Maybe you will think like, oh, they are learning so many skills in that. No, they are not learning any skills at all, apart from being attracted all the time or addicted to that. So they are lacking behind all the other skills which are important in life. I don't say that they shouldn't be on the screen at all. Sometimes, now as it's online classes, you cannot really say like, okay, I will not be online. No, that's not going to help. But after the online classes, just let them be on their own and do something creative as well, using their brain, using their thinking level, imagination and other things, not just always on the phone. Even after the online classes, they will say like, oh, I want to talk to my friend, we are going to discuss about the homework and things. So say like, no, you have been on the screen all the time, the whole day. Now it's time for you to relax a bit and leave your mobile or iPad or laptop, whatever the screen is. And then let them read a book or let them go outside and just look at the sky or the trees. This will help them to start thinking about different things. So this is very, very important for them. And when they have little children also, if you can't go out for walks, just sit with them and play something, or let them also, after some time, what happens when it becomes like a habit for them to play using the dolls or the toys what they have. And for the older ones, it becomes a habit of reading a book or doing something like painting, because they are old enough now. So they will start thinking in a different way. So let them use their time, free time, not online, not on the screen all the time, but apart from that, let them also use their time in a different way. So that there are various ways where you can distract your child, and it always works if you are willing to put the effort in. So this is very, very important for the children to reduce their screen time, and you are helping your child to develop in all the 7 areas of the EYFS, child development. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have any more questions, please comment and I'm going to answer all your questions. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye.